I can't hear noise cancellation.
Anybody orders an Amazon review डालना. Content creator of the grandfathers. वो चाहता है कि मेरी खून रुक जाए. My God, Jason Derulo is so hot. Guys, welcome to Travel with Sar, where we've come to Terminal 2 and our flight is from Terminal 1. So confidently, both of us are with our suitcase taking pictures in the hoodie. Time waste कर रहे हैं.
मिल गया हमको.
हाँ, हम मस्त दिवाली की लाइटिंग देख रहे हैं Terminal 2 की. Cool girl एकदम लाइन में खड़ रह के check in कर रहे हैं and all. And then he looks at us and he's like, Mumbai to? I was like, Guwahati. He's like, Terminal 1 है man. And I'm like, oh. ऐसा क्या? Luckily, the cops only helped us get into a cab at वरना हमको नीचे जाना पड़ता. The cops are very helpful at Terminal 2. They put us in a cab which is directly taking us to Terminal 1, which is 10 minutes away. So we're good. And the airport wasn't crowded.
Yeah.
Actually, Indigo is always Terminal 2. इसलिए तो हम जल्दी आए. But if it's Terminal 1, it's chill because they are quick. Terminal 1 पे कोई नहीं जाता. It's fast.
Guys, been a journey.
Wrong terminal पे जाके भी फटाफट काम कर दिया.
Thanks to that, यहाँ से जा सकते क्या बस?
Sweet Indigo lady.
Yeah, and also that what cop uncle.
I literally cried out. It's a daydream. I mean, how are you? I know nothing.
After all the gadbad we made, we made it to the flight. Welcome to Northeast Sharon, first time in Northeast.
What the only thing left, you know?
For you?
India.
मतलब region.
Region, this region.
Cities पे बहुत हो. Welcome to Guwahati again. अभी फटाफट baggage claim.
और सोएंगे.
सोएंगे नहीं, जानू से मिलेंगे. ये तुझे सोने की सूझ रही है.
मेरे को नींद आ रही है.
ट्रिप शुरू हुआ है शरण, मैं तो सोई भी नहीं हूँ.
Why didn't you sleep? मैं वही सोच रही हूँ.
मुझे ऐसा नींद नहीं आती फ्लाइट पे.
Because this madam has been blaming me कि मैं.
मुंबई एयरपोर्ट.
No, wait. But matter of fact, सब जगह गलत लेके गई है मैडम. T2 हाँ right, but T1 था T2. हम सब जगह गलत
चाय
है.
की खुशबू आ रही है, हम असम पहुँच गए.
हम लेफ्ट लेने की जगह नहीं, सेकंड लेफ्ट लेने की जगह.
I can't hear noise cancellation.
Guys, I will give you full tea, okay? Now
Now
we'll
in
meet.
Assam you will give tea.
Now we'll meet Reet first. Because Reet has been waiting. ये इससे साथ खड़ा है क्या कोई लेवल के?
Not reach typing. Usually read comes on time. Today I don't know.
One hour later.
Reet is having masala dosa and he's having his impulse iced tea in a restaurant. He's made his guava chili iced tea. Custom मैं उसके लिए मुंबई से लेके आई हूँ उसके ऑर्डर के हिसाब से.
Did you get one when you were coming back?
So I ordered on Amazon. Yeah.
You ordered on Amazon impulse.
Yeah.
अरे review डालना. Anybody orders on Amazon review डालना.
Yeah, five star review. I can't resist this.
Wait the kakdi. I also want kakdi.
अब कुछ just जाना है. When I called him, he was like,
I spoke to her and all. Then she was like, seems like such a bad time to be in Meghalaya and everything. Yes, just niharo yourself.
no, it's not a bad time to. It's actually weather points is the best time because अभी पानी साफ है. From December it will get too cold to get into the water.
Real big Christmas trees and you know you've entered Shillong. I'm so excited for the Cherry Blossom Festival. The crowd in Shillong is crazy. Like the kind of tourist buses that are coming. Normally इतने नहीं आते but festival का काफी craze है. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my show Travel with Sar, where you and I we travel together. We are in Shillong and we've been here before, but this time we've come for the Cherry Blossom Festival. This is a very famous music festival that happens and Jason Derulo and Script, two of the very famous artists are performing. So we are excited for that. हमने कब से tickets लेके रखी है. So tomorrow is the concert. We have entered Shillong today, landed in Guwahati. You all know the drill. You all have been to Meghalaya with me very many times. So yeah, let's go, let's explore. I'm vlogging through my phone क्योंकि मेरा कैमरा खराब हो गया, if you've seen the last vlog. But it's gonna be fun and the weather's really nice. मैंने अभी change कर लिया है in this restaurant जहाँ हम नाश्ता कर रहे थे.
A few moments later.
I watched Sharon put her sleeping mask and sleep in the front.
This is how I sleep. Flight में also अभी भी I sleep.
This is also Meghalaya tourism.
A very old school property, I think. Very vintage.
It reminds you of
Munnar.
Khandala.
Munnar.
Munnar. It reminds me of Manali. This
Manali
place.
also. Yeah.
Yeah. हाँ, chili salt, yeah.
Tried how is it?
This breadfruit is nice. I like it.
Yeah,
It's
I like
citrus.
it.
It'll be good on it. Their fruits in Meghalaya are very good. Fresh.
What is that? The other one?
Which one?
Nariyal bhi hai.
नारियल भी दो, हाँ नारियल दो. This is what Yash has told me to eat. Guys, हमको premium क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Grocery store in Shillong near the petrol pump. And we also got these coconut chunks and pomelo. Let's do some shopping. David Offen के पास coffee में लाई हो अपनी.
देख लो तो तुमको क्या क्या चाहिए.
क्या
Oh, they
चाहिए?
have Milka.
Where you can see.
Strawberry milk.
चॉकलेट नहीं चाहिए यार. मस्त कलेक्शन है बट चॉकलेट कलेक्शन इज ग्रेट. कैन टेक.
आइस ब्रेकर्स है.
तुम्हारे तो ऐसे बोल रहे थे मेरी कंपनी है. मेरा इम्पल्स नहीं है इधर.
वो भी आ गए.
अरे अरे ये लेना हाई प्रोटीन मूंग जोर. दिस इज ऑल गिल्ट फ्री
अच्छा तो
स्नैकिंग.
टिक.
टेक दिस आल्सो अपना चुई व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड?
अच्छा वो च्युइंग गम.
च्युइंग गम नॉट बूमर. टेक चुपा चुप.
चुपा चुप्स किधर है?
बाजू में चुपा चुप से.
Which one you want? This one or this one?
आई एम नॉट ट्राइड आइदर. आई डोंट नो. Yes guys, we've got them all. We've got sausages, diet coke, जो भी मुंबई से सामान में नहीं ला पाई. Healthy हमारे Airbnb में बनाने and unhealthy for the one man. What is this? Like look at the stuff I have taken. My grocery shopping, diet coke, sausages. Which ones you've taken? Chicken, cheese and garlic you took. Chicken and pepper. Then I took jawar puffs, cashews and something else. He's taken ice cream, kulfi slice. You're gonna eat this now?
Yeah.
You have any shame?
1 hour later.
This big house is style.
आप लोग का मकान एक केरला का मालिक है, एक मुंबई का मालिक है. अभी ओरिजिनल मालिक आ गया. आप लोग का नया घर आ गया.
Let's go. Where are the dogs? कैसे हो? It's chilly ना? Like it? Where are the dogs? Hello. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Yes. अच्छा okay.
Now they got new, no?
Yeah, they're smelling.
New. पहले मेरे से रीत पे. Hi, Sky. Hello. Sky.
That's Kyla. That's Bruno.
Sky. Come, Sky. Gone. She's gone inside. Bruno. Come. This is our room. I am so glad we've got this house. We've got the balcony room.
Oh, very nice.
I can work out here now. Superb. Is it 2 BHK? Sorted.
Good for you.
Guys, this is our room. It's a 2-bed. We have a living room. This is the kitchen. It has a steamer. I think basic crockery is there. नीचे of course खाना बनता है टायो में. We have a sink. We have this beautiful balcony also, which last day पे हमको अगर आपने देखा होगा. There's a nice forest up there for a walk. Maybe for sunset we'll go ऊपर. Nice ना? So nice. Last time this room somebody was taken. We were in the next room. Single wala. Yeah. And this is 1 bedroom and this is the other bedroom. Superb. So spacious. And the washrooms are also nice. Sorted. But mostly this area is quarters or something, Nikita was saying. What happened? What you was saying? Oh yeah, look at the German Shepherd. He'll pounce from there only. German का तो मेरे को trauma है bro.
Sky.
German had bit me, no?
Skyla is a Skyla is a friend.
Friend or crush.
I forgot.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, area is going to be 8 o'clock. We are heading out for dinner. मैं और शरण अच्छे से दोपहर को सो गए क्योंकि हम पूरी रात नहीं सोए थे because of our flight. Our flight was 5:35 in the morning, so we didn't sleep at all. So we slept a little, and Reet went with Ankush, that's the Tayo Inn's founder. He went with him to get the Cherry Blossom के wristbands. हमारे पास tickets online है. It's a concert, it's a festival. So उसके wristbands लेने पड़ते हैं from main Shillong city, and बहुत traffic था. And by the time Reet and Ankush reached, the counters were shut. So tomorrow Reet will again have to go. And tomorrow is the concerts. Of course हम तो last minute queens and kings हैं यहाँ पे. तो अभी देखते कल का दिन कैसे plan out होगा. But we are going for dinner to this very nice restaurant that I really wanted to go last time also, and I couldn't make it. It's called Olivia's Kitchen, and it's like an American style diner in Meghalaya. तो मुझे बहुत मतलब Nikita, the another founder of Tayo Inn, she told me the food over there is excellent, and I was really looking forward to have it last time. But it shuts at 9 o'clock. So the days we have like full blown packed itinerary, we could never make it to Olivia's. So today, since we have nothing to do, we're going to go to Olivia's, have a nice dinner, and then sleep, rest, because tomorrow is going to be the Cherry Blossom Festival day. Let's go. बाहर ठंडी तो है, but आपकी सारा थोड़ी brave hearted बन के मैंने ये sleeveless top पहना because मैंने इतने ज़्यादा ठंडी के कपड़े लाए नहीं है. But I have Reet's cardigan, and also I will carry as a extra layer of protection. I'm wearing this yellow top from Zara and jeans. It's cute, it's cozy, and it's cute actually, not cozy. And I'm gonna make it cozy with this sweater from Reet. Come, we'll sit with the dogs down.
I was Beirut, I'm telling you, I needed that sleep.
Yeah, that's why now we are having Raat Ki Rani espresso. Sharon's favorite Impulse. I've got Impulse 5. Could you please hold this so I can give Ankush his Impulse? Ankush, I asked him what do you want from Mumbai. He said I only want Impulse coffees. So I got him 200 gram jar. ये सारी हमारी shopping है by the way from the grocery store. And we 200 gram jar of Impulse. These are the 2 new flavors I got for them. Last time I got them vanilla and it's wiped out. Ankush, yes, your new Impulse stock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yes, new flavors for you to try.
Wow, I'm going to take them.
Go in. Hello babies. Who are these babies? Oh, I'm a
They are also bringing a pet, so they'll get excited.
Skyla, if you go too close, then she's gonna pounce at you. Don't coddle her, but she also does gurr, huh? She'll do gurr to warn you.
Her face, anything other than her face.
Hi Sky, you forgot about me now, new person I got then. Sky, I won't give it to her. Googly. Yeah, last time also they slept on your lap. I have pictures. Yeah, this is Sky, or Bruno does that usually. Instead of taking picture, you took a screenshot of your gallery. Why are you so dumb? Little Reet is such an uncle, na. He's
You grid क्यों a normal picture?
I'm technically challenged.
Content creator of the grandfathers. Dumbbell I got you. Hello?
No,
You're not even ready? If that place shuts, Ankush, I am eating your meat. Yeah, it's 8:15. 9 o'clock it shuts. There's traffic. Go to ETA and see how.
That's reality check it will give you.
A few moments later.
Fashion in Shillong is really nice. Very nice. That's why you can come here and shop.
Bangladesh border, no? So
Yeah.
They get all this H&M, Zara ka.
Dupes, yeah. Thrifting culture here is very heavy. Even Kolkata thrifting culture is heavy because of the same reason. Place smells only incredible. Smell of good food.
Started eating all.
He started eating. He doesn't care about photo, video.
Very good.
Very good? Very good. The food looks incredible.
Very fresh.
We've got tacos, we've got grilled meat, we've got tenderloin, we've got mashed potatoes, we've got chicken wings. The Reet moaning with food. The tacos here are slapping. The food here is slapping. The food was incredible, guys. We wiped out our plates.
2 hours later.
Guys, I discovered Bruno's spot. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at his spot. Oh. Bruno. Bruno, new toy. Bruno, new toy. Show. Bruno, give. Gone.
He went inside.
The next day.
Dance. Dance the early morning energy of Jagat. Come no.
It's not early morning, by the way.
But it's early morning for us. We were not slept.
What are you doing?
You're so happy, no? Today you're getting to see the script.
Childhood. One of my dream bands to see.
Guys, we are dressed for the Cherry Blossom Festival. हम सुबह इतना आराम से सब कुछ कर रहे थे. We did our breakfast, we did a workout, we chilled, lots of things happened and then we got ready. इतना घाई में कि कुछ भी film नहीं कर पाए. Ready होते वक्त, I'm wearing this Cherry Blossom dress with my denim skirt and I'm going to also have a jacket because it is very cold. I first thought I'll only wear the dress, but I'm going to mix and match with denim on denim with the jacket because it is cold and रात को बहुत chilly हो जाता है. I've done like a simple makeup look and Sharon is also dressed. She's also wearing a cute top with jeans.
But Thandi is
Thandi, so yeah. Alright guys, so the plan of action now is that we are going to the box office. वहाँ पे हम wristband लेंगे for the festival and then उसके बाद we are going to Wards Lake. We'll show Sharon the cherry blossom I saw last year. Full Japan vibes and then उसके बाद सीधा festival में. Yes, 7 o'clock script is coming and then Jason Derulo in the night. These are the two artists we've mainly come for, but of course all the other artists are also going to be there. It's going to be fun and it is such a nice weather, like proper hill station weather. Look at the back, like wow, I love this. This all construction is going on, but this background is amazing. I filmed a video in this background in the morning.
A few moments later.
मुझे लगा इधर बहुत ट्रैफिक होगा, वैसे ट्रैफिक नहीं है. हाँ, हम भी उतर जाते हैं भैया. ये पार्किंग नहीं, आप इधर नहीं डाल सकते गाड़ी. गवर्नमेंट का पार्किंग है. अच्छा, हम भी उतर जाएंगे शरण, उसके पास चलते हैं, रीत के पास चलते. हाँ, वार्ड्स लेक कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
दूर है.
कितना दूर है?
मैक्सिमम.
ये टैक्सी के पीछे आप नहीं रोक सकते, टिकट मिल गया है उसको. आप इधर रोक सकते ना 2 मिनट्स, उनको मिल ही गया है टिकट. फिर वार्ड्स लेक जाना है. हाँ, ओके.
2 मिनट आएंगे, अपन जाएंगे.
You give that QR code to me. Okay. Alright guys, we got our bands and Sharon's band. गिरा दो. रीत ने तो इतना टाइट बांधा है ना कि मतलब वो चाहता है कि मेरी खून रुक जाए. और कुछ चुबा ही दिया है मेरे को अंदर इसने. कैसे तो भी बांधा है. कितना अच्छे से मैंने डाली और देखो तुमने कैसे डाले.
कहाँ चुभ रहा है यार ये.
This is what it looks like now, golden hour time, but music has not started here yet.
Ferris wheel and
Yeah, Ferris wheel and all as well. Should we go now only inside? Get nice pictures near the stage. Has they not started blooming, or I think they're already dry?
No. They've not started blooming yet because till last week it was raining. So if it rains, it's not.
Climate change. You're not lucky. You don't get the full pink.
It's not bloomed yet.
थोड़े से है. They've put this and all this time. What is this called? Flea market. That's why the ticket was 100 rupees. Last time we came in 20 rupees inside.
But that was not during the festival.
During the festival they've put all this. Action figures are there. Boutique cafes. Torii Gate is there. Torii Gate is made in Shillong. Soul food for the soul. Is it started? Are you all giving ramen? Okay. Which one is the best? Let's take one only, na?
one only.
One carbonara. Where is the fan pit? Guys, हम लोग कब से ये एरिया में, but हम कहीं और ही भटक रहे हैं. And now 7 o'clock we've come to this area.
Guys, हम starting से गलत ही.
Yeah, starting से everywhere.
He's literally there. Script, they'll be performing here.
So close. We are so close. Look, others are there and we are in the fan pit is here.
1, 2, 3, go!
Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Congrade K. Sangma. We welcome you, sir.
Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Tourism, and Brenda Lee Parkinton, Madam MCS, Director of Tourism.
And we'd now like to request Dr. Vijay to felicitate the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
That's great. Friends, this is the 5th edition of the Cherry Blossom Festival. And every year we have seen the Cherry Blossom Festival get bigger and bigger. Today, Cherry Blossom is one of the biggest festivals in the entire country. And with your help, we will make it the biggest and the best festival in the entire country. That is the target that we have with which we are moving forward.
Songs and their albums were soundtracks to my life and the things that I did, especially. Yeah, I remember the first time I heard "Man Who Can't Be Moved." And I was like, oh, that these guys came to Shillong early They went around Shillong.
Yep.
They went all the way to Cherrapunji, to Sora.
Yep.
They went to Wai Saodam.
Yep.
Right? They saw how beautiful our land is. And they went to Don Bosco Square, man. Wow. I didn't expect that to happen. They sang for you all of you guys who were lucky enough to witness the magic right up close.
Because we're going to show you a beautiful video of the script and Shillong.
Well, we're going to slow things down now. The song is called The 6 Degrees of Separation. Read the books, watch the shows. What's the best way? No one knows it. We went to this beautiful waterfall as well. We went down to the Don Bosco Square yesterday. We performed outside for everybody. And we just had the best time. Honestly, it's been really healing for my heart to see so many just people so welcoming to us. Yeah, it's our first time in this country. It's honestly, look, even a sign, break even. Can I play with you? I'll have a think. But I would like to sing a song right now. Since there's no roof on this place, so all the surrounding cities and town can hear us when we sing this next song. The song is probably the reason why you guys know us.
Yes!
This song has changed our lives. This song has changed many people's lives. It's a really simple song about somebody who has nothing and what you do for love. The song is called The Man Who Can't Be Moved. And I'm not going to ask you to sing like I could stop you. Shillong is so galvanizing. It's an incredible feeling to see everybody here and nobody's on their phones. Everybody's just living in the moment. The sense of community, like I was saying, man, I miss this, I really do. So I think the phones are only good for one thing, turning this whole place into a galaxy. So everybody turn on your phone, turn the light on your phone. Be a master, don't wait for luck, dedicate yourself. All the people that made the show possible. Thank you so much to Shillong for inviting us to do this. The Cherry Blossom Festival for having us along. All our crew, every single person who makes this possible. We love you guys so much. Thank you guys all to the lighting guys out there as well. Everybody, honestly, from our bottom of our hearts. Like I said, this is not the first. This is the first of many. We'll see you really soon. Thank you. Good night. And God bless. We had a script all the way from Dublin Island.
Guys, we had such a good time. Reed, you enjoyed?
Oh, Lord.
हम लोग जमीन पे बैठे हैं अभी sitting on the floor because our legs are hurting so much and we ate something and we left the front. We were literally in the front but अभी overwhelming हो गया तो पीछे आ गए.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them right now.
Guys, the concert is over. It was so oh my god, Jason Derulo is so hot. I enjoyed every song. मेरी आवाज चली गई because I knew every single song from Jason and he knew every song from script, so he enjoyed the script. Like the literal millennial and Gen Z relationship over here. I'm not Gen Z otherwise, but for Jason Derulo I'm Gen Z.
For Jason Derulo, Gen Z.
He's my full childhood. Like literally all the clubs I danced in was Jason Derulo. Like all my clubbing days was Jason Derulo. He started with Swala and then oh my god, those songs we put on.
Yeah, some of them are old, but I didn't know that they were sung by him. I had no idea.
His songs are so popular.
Oh, इसने गाया है?
Of course, इसने गाया. In fact, he didn't sing "Marry Me." That's what that guy was singing. No, I hope he sings. You enjoyed?
जाके खड़ी हो गई थी मैं.
हाँ, ये तो हमको छोड़ के आगे जाके खड़ी हो गई जेसन के लिए. बाप रे. And he the trumpets में तो he removed everything. Yeah. Dancers were so hot, dude. Everybody was hot.